Here are 5 skincare mistakes you should stop making in 2023. Number 1, using a towel to dry your face. If you're not washing them every day, it's going to accumulate bacteria and germs that can lead to acne. As an alternative, you can either air dry or do what I like to do, which is go in directly with a toner and a cotton pad. Number 2, applying your skincare in the wrong order. You need to be applying your products in the correct order to maximize their efficacy. Thankfully, I have a couple of videos that lay out the correct steps, so go check them out. Number 3, you're not reapplying your sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours. Now that there's a variety of sunscreen sticks on the market, it's way easier to reapply your sunscreen throughout the day without having to use your fingers. Number 4, you're applying your hyaluronic acid directly to dry skin. For hyaluronic acid to work properly, you want to apply it to damp skin. So you can either apply it right after applying your toner or essence when your skin is still damp, or you can mist beforehand, which is what I like to do. Number 5, you're scooping out your products directly with your fingers or your fingernail. This is a surefire way for your products to accumulate the germs and bacteria that are living on your fingers. Most products do come with a little scoop, or you can use a Q-tip. If you're using a scoop, just make sure to wash and dry it after using it. There are many other common skincare mistakes that I'm seeing on this app, so let me know if you want to see a part 2.